travel the world and seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be of you.
Hi, today I want to show you my new Android app. It's called singBOSS to go. I've done a video of my singBOSS on Windows before. This is basically the portable version. singBOSS is a software playing the Ultrastar karaoke songs and use the audio spectrum to control Twinkly lights. If you haven't heard of Ultrastar before, I will give you introduction to the Ultrastar files. If you have already watched my previous video, you can skip this chapter. So how does it work? I'm using the so-called Ultrastar files. Ultrastar is an open source project. It's a kind of karaoke game. Privately, I'm not using this player. I use another one so-called Vocaluxe. As you can see here, it will display the lyrics like karaoke, and you have to sing to hit the note. If you get the note right, then you will get a score, just like the SingStar of Sony PlayStation. I don't want to go to the details of the player because I'm only using the files. I don't want to give you the link where to download the files because I'm not sure with the copyright issue. What you can do is just search for Ultrastar songs download. A song typically consists of 4 files. You can see here there's a video file and a JPEG for the album clip art, and there's a MP3 file, and there's a text file for the lyrics information. I'm only using these 3 here. I'm not using the video file. For the demonstration, I'm using my Galaxy Z Flip, and I connected it via USB to mirror the image on my laptop. If you want to know how to do that, I've got another video showing the open source software called Screen Copy. My Galaxy Z Flip is using the Android version 13. First of all, I have to download the APK file. Just go to Chrome. I've already uploaded it to my Google Drive and give it a shortcut. The shortcut is under tiny.cc and singBOSS to go. And you can see it's 30 megabytes. Download it anyway. As you can see, I'm using the screen copy. It's much easier. I can demonstrate by using the mouse click and enter text from my laptop keyboard. I have to give you a warning at this point. The app is only written for myself and tested on one single device, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Okay, now I can open it. And I have to allow my device to install unknown package just once. Here, go to setting and Chrome. Install. I just allow Chrome to install unknown package. And app install, I can open it now. Okay, now the app is asking for permission. This one has to be allowed the audio while using the app. That's okay. And here you have to go to the singBOSS somewhere here. singBOSS to go here and allow to access files. Now I have to shut it down and restart the app. Let's close everything. Okay, if I continue here, then you will see a message. So it's trying to find the chips and the Ultrastar files. What you are seeing here, that's my mobile phone storage. So I've already downloaded some Ultrastar file under my home here, Ultrastar directory here, and under my home I got GIFs here. So I'm going to tell the singBOSS app where I have put my files. After the singBOSS started the first time, then you will find a directory called BigBoss97, and under this one you will see the singBOSS to go here, and there's a file called env.txt. I'm going to open this file from my mobile because I can't edit it from my laptop. I'm using the quick edit text editor, and now I need to find my env.txt file. Go to open, internal storage, and it's under BigBoss97 here, and singBOSS to go. There's a env.txt file. Now I'm going to modify the directory here. So what I have to do is go to here at my home.
Yep.
Then I can save it and restart the app. I have two options here. I can scan for the light, and if I continue here, now you can see I've got all the songs here, and I can go back. I've just turned on the light. Now I can scan for the light. Okay, it found my strings 400. Just continue for the demonstration. Now I'm going to pick my song. Okay, start running. You can pause it by clicking on the progress bar.
Sweet dreams of later the years you have marked.
So, and just continue. Or I can toggle the face. I can turn it off. Now there's no face. And the face is back here.
Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused.
Okay, when the song finishes, it just go to playlist, and I can use the back button here. Go back and select the next song. Or if I want to stop it, I can go back here, and I can choose I want to turn off the light, or I can turn it to single color. Now I want to show you the contents of the environment file. After starting of the app, the directory is created. As soon as I selected the light, and it will copy the default environment file to a file with the name of the light. My one was string 400. So basically at the moment they are the same. So if I open it, you can see it has a directory here, and this BPM is basically just controlling the speed to change the effect. Has nothing to do with the real BPM. So you can play around with the value, and you will find out you can speed up to change the GIF file quicker or slower. So, and this is the GIF rectangle. The Twinkly coordinates are based on start x from -1 and to 1. In the middle is 0, and the y-axis is from 0 to 1. So I define the lower left corner is -1 and 0, and the upper right corner is 0 and 1. Basically, it's on the left half of the light. And the phase here, as you can see here, there's a square bracket here, and there. Basically, this is defining the array. The first set of coordinates is defining the left third of the light here, and this one is the right third. So basically, you could see the phase is jumping from here to there. I have to warn you, you have to be careful with modifying this data. If the syntax is wrong, it could crash the app. If something happened with that one, you can't fix it, you simply delete it, and the next time you run it, select the light, it will copy the default one again. So don't try to modify this one, just keep it there and just modify the copied version. If you have made a mistake on the JSON syntax, what you can do is just copy the whole thing and find a JSON online parser, for example this one, and paste it here. Now you can see it's parsing correctly because there's no error. What I can do is, for example, if I remove a comma here, then you can see there's a problem here. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is using a group. I have created a group with my strings and curtain here. Okay, and it detected the master and slave. Always select the master. As you can see, I've run that before and I've got the environment file with the master name here. And I also already modified the drift area accordingly and also the phase area. So let's continue. Okay, the phase start here on the left hand side.
Travel the world and 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get
And now the phase is on the other side.
Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused.
So I think that's all about my singBOSS to go. It's basically the singBOSS program which I have written for Windows before, and I just ported for Android for mobile. I hope you have a little bit fun and enjoy the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.